Hey, it's Kate with WTI. If you love ginger and honey like I do, you have got to check out this spray.
This throat spray is by B&U, and I am obsessed with the ingredients. They are amazing because I do love honey and I love ginger, and I think that that is the perfect combination for my throat. So I love this spray. I appreciate how convenient it is to use. It fits right in the palm of my hand and it is super gentle as well, which I really appreciate. The spray itself sprays really well, pretty powerful, but also very gentle. So it's easy to take. And I just love that flavor and I love the ingredients that it has raw honey in it. I love bee products, so I just think that that's fantastic. This is the perfect thing to use. It's so gentle. It is very soothing, and I can even take it with me on the go.
I love this spray by B&U. It is the perfect thing to incorporate into my daily routine. And if you love honey and you love ginger, I think that you're going to be really happy with it too. But that's just my point of view.